Hello,
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 Hi,
I'm David Rodriguez.
I'm Marcelina.
I am Ricardo.
I'm Pascal.
In the workshop that we did, the House of Brownies,
For the Queer Refugee Support yesterday at Talia.
I'm the teacher who teach Afro-Colombian dances. In the beginning, I was very scared because I didn't know what to expect. Yeah, at the end, I was very happy because the result was very nice. And it was so nice seeing everyone having fun and just moving their bodies and not thinking about anything and just having a nice time all together.
And I was the one that taught the jazz class. Oh my goodness, it was so much fun. But what I realized as I taught, it's like you don't have to be a really trained dancer to be able to enjoy a jazz class. And that's what I love about yesterday's outcome.
I was in charge of the choreography segment. I choreographed to Billie Eilish. It was so refreshing for me to see non-dancers take a choreography and just making it their own. I loved how fearless they were. They were not embarrassed at all to mess up. I wanted them to explore what their bodies were capable of, what they could do, sometimes we don't know what our bodies can do or how flexible we are.
So I finished off the workshop with a beautiful meditation. A meditation about finding relaxation and exploring the tension that we keep within our body, sometimes unconsciously. So we were actively tensing and relaxing our body and finding how capable our body is to relax. Everyone's openness throughout the day was just super giving, and I was very thankful.
You could tell from everyone's faces that everyone just wanted to enjoy themselves and let go.
They were having a fun time and you could see it.
I'm not thinking about anything and just having a nice time all together.
Sometimes we take for granted what we've given. And especially as artists, our passion becomes our job, so we forget why we do what we do.
Just keeps you motivated and inspired.
You don't have to be the best at something, but like if you just put your heart and soul to it, and as long as you're having fun, and that's all that matters, because life's short, right?
It's amazing how dance can move you deeply inside, and how can we connect with each other no matter what.
From the bottom of our hearts, we thank all of the people that participated and helped us to make this workshop possible.
I hope that we can do more in the future.
I hope this is just the first of the many.
The whole afternoon. Thank you so much. It was an amazing experience.
Workshop, I really liked it. It was a good one.
I loved it, every part in it, actually.
I enjoyed it thoroughly. I enjoyed all the moments yesterday. It was so nice.
And what part did I enjoy the most? I liked the stretching part the most.
I don't know what it's called, but it's like snake baby. Choreografia. Choreografia, I love that part.
All of them had a little touch to them.
I learned how I control my body. I dance with a new move, and this was nice. Thank you guys.
I found out that I have a problem in my body. I'm not flexible. I can't move it very easily.
I learned that there's something in me that I didn't know, and maybe in the future I will find out more about this. So thank you very much.